Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. By the way, I'm Judge Matthew De Leon and I will be explaining the components list and their purpose. We have 7 components such as the Arduino Uno, IR receiver diode, jumper cable MM, 5mm LED, resistor 220R, breadboard, and IR remote control. First, we have the Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega328P featuring digital and analog I/O pins, USB interface for programming, and built-in power regulation. Its purpose is to receive signals from the I receiver, decode them, and switches the LED on or off based on the press button on the IR remote. The second one is the IR receiver diode. It's a sensor module that detects infrared signals from a TV-style remote control and converts them into a digital signal readable by the Arduino. Its purpose is to receive the IR remote signal and sends the corresponding digital codes to the Arduino for processing. Next, we have the jumper cable MM, a flexible insulated wires with metal tips for quick solderless connections. Its purpose is to connect the I receiver, LED, and resistor to the Arduino and breadboard. Next, we have the 5mm LED. It is a small light-emitting diode that glows when currents flow through it. Its purpose is to serve as the output indicator, turning on or off depending on the IR remote button press. Next, we have the resistor 220R. It is a current limiting resistor that protects the LED by reducing the excessive current flow. Its purpose is to ensure the LED operates safely without burning out. Next, we have the IR remote control. It is a handheld infrared transmitter that emits encoded light pulses when buttons are pressed. Each button sends a unique digital code that can be detected by the IR receiver. Its purpose is to allow wireless control of the LED by sending IR signals that the Arduino interprets, enabling you to turn the LED on or off from a distance. Next, we have the breadboard. It is a reusable platform for making circuits without soldering. Its purpose is to provide an organized way to connect the I receiver and LED circuit components to the Arduino. And that is all for the components list. Thank you for watching our video.
Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be making project 14, which is the infrared control light. So let's get started.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Woo! All right. Anyway, I'm Zanicelis Bardos, and this is Act 14 of Arduino Uno. Moving on. Uh, First, I'd like to introduce one of the libraries that you'll need. Which is irremote.h. You can see it from the library manager. If you search up ir remote, there. Now, just note that the best version for you to use this is less than 2.6.1. Now, it's best if you just use the lower versions like 2.0, 2.2, 2.5, etc. So now that that's out of the way, let's continue. So we have the pick configuration, which is the receiver, the LEDs. That's about it actually. You don't actually have anything else. You only need the pin modes for the LEDs and the receiver. So this 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 tracks the state for the LEDs. So it tries to know what if it's on or not. So here we have the setup. We have one pin for one LED. We also have the serial monitor for debugging, as usual. You also need to have this line of code to actually start the receiver. You can see the codes for the libraries online, but if you could see this video, I recommend just copying it. Anyway, we also have another setup on top of the other setup, which is this. So IR receiver, IR receive, receiver pin, which is the pin, the code results. Anyway, we also have the very short code. If the IR receiver decode results, unsigned long code equals result dot value, or if it gets any code or hex code from the IR remote, it will output that in the serial monitor. So even if it's a bad code, it will output it. Like if you hold down a button, it will do the same code over and over again, like a fail code. Anyway, but if you put in one if statement that has the code, if the code is equal to this specific code, hex code, uh, it will turn on the light state, which is the LED. So it will turn on. It'll just turn, you know, we'll just make it true, which in turn, uh, will turn on the light. So after that, it just waits for the next signal. Doesn't have anything else. It just flashes or blinks, and then done. That's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Actually, thank you.